A new visitor. I wasn't expecting anyone to come in today. Hi. So are you another therapist of some sort, or just another doctor here to do tests on me? I see. Another detective. Well, you should give up on your search because I'm not talking. You know, officer, I'm pretty sure you have a whole record on me, hence why I'm in here. And you would know that I don't really like my government gift name. So please, address me as it is written in your files. Thank you. Mm-hmm. I did do those things, and I can tell you they were quite fun to do. Especially writing my little message on the walls with their own blood. You should have seen the cop's face when they first saw that. No. That's not how I got caught. No, that's not how I got caught at all. Jeez, for an officer, you're quite dumb. I got caught because I was arrogant. I wanted more blood on my hands. And so I tried to kill everyone in that police station. And I almost got away with it. Until a rookie cop saw me. And then he got back up from another police station, hiding inside of his own office, by the way, like a coward. He should have shot me dead where I stand. And well, he let his whole crew die, basically. He let the whole police station die because of his arrogance and fear. You should have seen the look at their face when I killed the sheriff. I could sense pure fear in his eyes. It's such a great feeling. Yes, I did kill my mother. And my father as well. But for good reason. You see, my dad was a little bit of an asshole. He liked to beat my mother, not tell anyone about it. How did I figure it out? Well, that's easy. I could obviously just look at my mother and see the bruises and whatnot. And that didn't make me very, very upset. That did make me very upset. So, what I did was I took the kitchen knife, right? I snuck into their room. Well, I got my story twisted a little bit. Let me rewind. I was going to sneak into their room and kill him when I overheard their conversation. They were planning to put a bullet in my head, shoot me when I was sleeping, and blame it on my psychopathic tendencies. They were gonna frame me for a suicide that I didn't even do to myself. Do you know how much that pissed me off? So, in response with all this anger and this new information I kicked down that door and I stabbed both of them where they were. People say I'm crazy. And that's why I'm here. Because they're right. I am a bit crazy, but aren't we all crazy? Just a little bit. Only a few more questions? Why, we're getting so along. I mean, you know almost everything about me. Why don't we talk about you for a little bit? Well, first, I would like to ask your name. That's a nice name. Reminds me of someone I used to know quite well. And how old are you? Ah, I see. So, how many years of experience do you have in detective work? You're a rookie. They really sent a rookie detective to talk to me. What a load of shit. Why did I do all the murders? It's easy. Because I was once just a small little kid, and I got bullied a lot. Bullied about my appearance. In short, I changed my appearance, and that made me have a new mindset on life. Why let the weak live when the laws of nature clearly state that the strongest survive? I'm just a little bit more advanced than just the strong. I'm also smart. And well, I've gained a bit of knowledge being here in this psych ward. I learned that it's nice to have friends on the outside. I would go see what that explosion was, officer. You don't want all the crazy people to escape now, would you? Go on. I'm not going anywhere. For now. I'm stuck here, bound in this crazy suit. I promise you I'm not going anywhere, especially with that lock on the door. So go on. Go to your team. See what happened on the outside of this establishment of some sort. And then maybe, just maybe, I might be here. Or I might not be. Who knows? Good luck out there.